Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let's see one more advanced option which is present in IAM. Let's say in a company, you're working as a solution architect associate. Now, suddenly your manager came to you and asked you about how many IAM users are there in his account and who are they and their details send me now. Like this he asked. Let's say there are more than 100 IAM users. 100 IAM users are there. Then it is very difficult to you, right? To copy username, MFA details, and what are the details which are present for every user. It is difficult, right? Yes. So to copy each and every detail and paste it in a Excel sheet will difficult. For this, to provide this whole IAM users data which is present in account, for providing this in an Excel sheet, there is an option in AWS. What is that option? Credentials report. What is that option? Credentials report. So this credentials report is provides you what are the users details which is present in your account. So what is the option? If anybody asks you the whole users data, if manager asks you the whole users which are present in his account details, then you need to just go for IAM. There you download credentials report. So in the credentials report, by downloading this, you can able to get all the user details in Excel format. That's it. Simply just send that report. That's it. So I hope you understood what is this credentials report. This contains all the users details, all the IAM users details in a account. So I hope you learned this. What is the credentials report option in AWS? Sorry, IAM. So I hope you understood this video. This video is helpful to you. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. See you back in the next video. Until then, bye bye.